Sky Kingdom Animal Round. 50 creatures, all scrambled, and at least one of them would definitely judge your spelling. Beat 40, keep score and stay for the secret code. 50 animal words. Beat 40. Secret code at the end. A small pet that purrs, judges silently, and owns the furniture. The answer is cat. You track that creature nicely. A loyal pet that treats every doorbell like breaking news. The answer is dog. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A big wild hunter with a mane and main character energy. The answer is lion. 3 down already. Keep your score, because the secret code is waiting at the end. A striped big hunter that looks like the jungle designed a warning sign. The answer is tiger. The wild word has been captured. A huge gray giant with a long trunk and excellent memory vibes. The answer is elephant. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. 5 creatures found. The zoo gate is open, and the letters have escaped. Keep your scores safe. Round 2 starts now. The animals get sneakier, and the spelling gets claws. A tall spotted browser that reaches snacks in another postcode. The answer is giraffe. Nice spotting, that one had camouflage. A striped grassland animal dressed like a barcode. The answer is zebra. You track that creature nicely. A playful tree climber with hands that look suspiciously busy. The answer is monkey. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A powerful great ape with serious strength and surprisingly gentle moments. The answer is gorilla. Sharp instinct, clean point. A large furry animal that makes picnics feel less secure. The answer is bear. 10 solved. Like the video if your brain is still wearing the crown. A wild pack hunter with a howl made for moonlit drama. The answer is wolf. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. A clever red animal often seen as the sneaky genius of the countryside. The answer is fox. Nice spotting, that one had camouflage. A long-eared hopper famous for speed, softness, and carrots. The answer is rabbit. You tracked that creature nicely. A strong runner people ride, race, and draw badly in school notebooks. The answer is horse. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A farm animal that gives milk and stares like it knows secrets. The answer is cow. Sharp instinct, clean point. A woolly field resident with a voice that sounds like mild complaint. The answer is sheep. The wild word has been captured. A bearded climber that eats almost anything and regrets almost nothing. The answer is goat. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. Animal puzzles are friendly for almost everyone, from quick pet words to trickier wild creatures. Round 3. If you are still here, your animal instincts are doing actual work. A pink farm animal smarter than many people expect. The answer is pig. Score check time. Comment your number in your head for now. We need you at the finish line. A farm bird that provides eggs and walks like tiny royalty. The answer is chicken. You track that creature nicely. A water bird with a waddle, a quack, and strong pond energy. The answer is duck. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A powerful bird with sharp vision and dramatic sky confidence. The answer is eagle. Sharp instinct, clean point. A night bird that looks wise even when simply blinking. The answer is owl. The wild word has been captured. A colorful bird that can copy sounds and expose family conversations. The answer is parrot. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. A black and white bird that swims well and walks like a tiny waiter. The answer is penguin. Nice spotting, that one had camouflage. A smart sea mammal that seems to smile while showing off. The answer is dolphin. You tracked that creature nicely. A huge sea mammal with songs bigger than most playlists. is whale. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A powerful sea predator with teeth that need no introduction. The answer is shark. Sharp instinct, clean point. A clever sea creature with 8 arms and escape artist skills. The answer is octopus. The wild word has been captured. A shelled slow mover that looks like it carries a tiny house. The answer is turtle. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. A long reptile with a grin nobody should trust. The answer is crocodile. You are past the halfway gate. Subscribe to iKingdom if you want the next crown challenge. A legless reptile that moves like a living question mark. The answer is snake. You tracked that creature nicely. A jumping pond creature with a voice louder than its size. The answer is frog. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A delicate flying insect that looks like color learned to float. The answer is butterfly. Sharp instinct, clean point. A tiny pollinator with stripes, wings, and a serious work ethic. The answer is bee. The wild word has been captured. Only 16 animals left. Stay to the end and type animal crown if you make it out of the wild. Final round. Stay sharp. Some of these creatures have excellent camouflage. A very small worker that can carry more than seems fair. The answer is ant. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. An 8-legged web builder that divides rooms very quickly. The answer is spider. Nice spotting, that one had camouflage. An Australian hopper with a pocket and unbelievable leg power. The answer is kangaroo. You tracked that creature nicely. A tree-hugging Australian animal that seems permanently sleepy. The answer is koala. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A black and white bamboo fan with world-class cuteness. The answer is his panda. Sharp instinct, clean point. A desert traveler with humps and excellent heat management. The answer is camel. The wild word has been captured. A sturdy animal with long ears and a fiercely stubborn reputation. The answer is donkey. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. A graceful woodland animal that freezes when headlights ask questions. The answer is deer. Still here at 42. That is not casual viewing, that is royal focus. A tiny rodent that makes people stand on chairs for no reason. The answer is mouse. You track that creature nicely. A clever city survivor with a reputation problem. The answer is rat. That animal nearly escaped the letters. A quick tree climber obsessed with storing tiny food treasures. The answer is squirrel. Sharp instinct, clean point. A small spiky wanderer that looks like a walking hairbrush. The answer is hedgehog. The wild word has been captured. A sea mammal that lounges like it invented relaxation. The answer is seal. The animal crown is still prowling nearby. A playful water mammal that treats floating like a lifestyle. The answer is otter. 2 more after this. The secret code is almost unlocked. Stay sharp. A night-flying mammal that turns darkness into a commute. The answer is bat. You track that creature nicely. A pink long-legged bird that makes standing on one leg look easy. The answer is flamingo. You cleared all 50. The secret code is animal crown. You made it to the end. Comment your score and type animal crown if your creature brain stayed awake. Subscribe to iKingdom for more word puzzles and visual challenges.